In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom reports in Process.st. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your workflow, you'll learn how to generate reports that give you detailed insights into your processes. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share a special tip on how you can extend your free trial with exclusive bonuses, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Process.st is one of the best tools for streamlining your workflows and managing tasks. But did you know you can take your process management to the next level with custom reports? Custom reports allow you to capture the data that matters most to your team and get rid of the noise. This is critical for tracking performance, analyzing bottlenecks, and making data-driven decisions. To start creating custom reports in Process.st, first, make sure you have access to the necessary permissions within your workspace. You'll need admin or manager access to set up and run custom reports. Once you're ready, head over to the Reports tab from your Process.st dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, you'll find various report options like activity reports, workflow progress, and user performance. But if you're looking to tailor these reports to suit your needs, click on Create Custom Report. From here, you'll be able to choose the specific data fields that you want to include, whether it's tasks completed, task owners, or even the due dates. You'll also have the option to filter the data based on specific criteria, like task status or completion dates. For instance, if you want to see which tasks are being delayed or who is falling behind, you can quickly filter by in progress or overdue. This lets you narrow down the information you need to take immediate action. Next, decide on the layout of your report. Process.st gives you flexibility here, allowing you to choose between a tabular format or a more visual chart-based report. This is where you can really bring clarity to your data by visualizing trends, performance over time, or specific team member metrics. For example, you can create pie charts showing task completion percentages or bar charts highlighting which workflows are taking the longest to complete. Once you've customized your report, you can save it and even schedule it to be sent regularly to your email. This is perfect for keeping track of key metrics over time and ensuring that you're staying on top of your processes. You can also export these reports to CSV for even deeper analysis or integration with other tools you might be using. Now here's a pro tip. You can use Process.st's dynamic fields to further customize your reports. These fields will automatically update whenever new data is added to your workflows. This is an amazing feature that ensures you're always working with the most up-to-date information without having to manually adjust your reports every time. If you're serious about maximizing your productivity, I strongly recommend playing around with Process.st's reporting features. The insights you gain from custom reports can be a game changer for improving efficiency and performance across your entire team. And before we wrap up, remember that you can access Process.st for completely free using the first link in the description below. By signing up through that link, you'll also get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial. That's right, more time to explore all these powerful features at no cost to you. So, whether you're looking to fine-tune your processes, track team performance, or just get a better understanding of your workflows, Process.st's custom reports are an essential tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started with creating custom reports in Process.st.